ClickBank Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do affiliate marketing with clickbank.com. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply come to clickbank.com and you will land on this platform. Now ClickBank is an amazing platform to do affiliate marketing. You can promote different products, you can sell different products, and you can earn your commission. High ticket affiliate marketing is available on ClickBank. Very easy platform to use and very famous for affiliate marketing. So how to get started with ClickBank? What you can do is when you come to the website, you will see the option of sign up right here. So you will simply click on sign up. Now the sign up process is very easy. What you have to do is you simply select your country, whatever country you are in. Now some of the countries are not available. ClickBank is not, the affiliate marketing for ClickBank is not available in few of the countries, but it is available in all the states and many countries around the world. So you will simply click your country. I am going with United States, of course. After that, your first name, you will simply add your name, then you will add your last name, then you're gonna add your phone number, email address, whatever your email address is, and then set up a reasonable password. Now setting up a password, your password should be very unique and it should have at least two lowercase, two uppercase, two numbers, and two special characters. So once you have set up a reasonable password, you have added all of the information, and remember that all the fields are mandatory. You have to add your phone number and email. But this is it. This is how you simply create your account on ClickBank. Super easy, and it literally takes 1 minute. So once you have added all of the information, simply continue with terms and conditions, and it opens this up. Go to bottom and accept the terms and conditions. Once you do that, simply click on join ClickBank and you will be able to join it. Now when you will join your ClickBank, you will see the dashboard is completely empty, because what happens is it depends on you what kind of affiliate marketing you are doing, what are the products that you have chosen, and what you are going to do. So there are two options that are available on ClickBank. The first option is to sell. Grow your sales with our easy to use tool and vast network of affiliate. What is sell on ClickBank? How you can do affiliate marketing with selling different products? So what you do is you simply go to sell, and on the sell we will get the more information about the ClickBank, how this works. So what happens is that on ClickBank you can actually use it to sell different products. What happens is that you have a marketplace, you pay all of your affiliates, use your level of attribution, and then you simply sell different products, and you can do different kind of affiliate marketing. How does this work? Okay, it's super easy. What's gonna happen is that you will need a product approval, right? A one-time product approval fee that you will actually have to pay. Just one time you will have to pay the fee for the product approval, the product that you have chosen to sell, right? Any product that you will choose from the marketplace, you have that, you will pay the fee, which is going to be, it's roundabout, you can see right here, which is $50. But it's fine because the amount you are going to earn is pretty good. So what happens is that you will have to add the sales funnel, you will have to do the promotion. For that you will actually get the promotion copy of your product, and then you will also get the product materials, price points, and everything. So once you have your product, you have paid the one-time fee that you have to pay to get your product that you are going to sell on ClickBank or any other product on any other platform, if you are linked with any other platform with your ClickBank. So what's going to happen is then we get the information right here, which is sales and stocking fee. What is going to happen? No monthly subscription. There is no monthly subscription. It is completely free. Just simple flat rate pricing. You pay on what you earn. So what is going to happen? You make a sale. For example, you made a sale of a product which is $100. The price of the product was $100. Okay, so you got that. Then you will actually have to pay 7.5% to ClickBank and $1. So whatever your amount is, whatever the 7.5 of your $100 is going to be per sale, you will pay just 7.5 to ClickBank and $1. And after that, you just take all the commission and all the profits that come with that. So you can see right here, step 1, set up your product to sell on ClickUp. You will simply set up a product. Step 2, submit for ClickBank compliance review. They will actually review that what product you have actually selected. Step 3 is going to be post your offer on the marketplace with 100k sellers and affiliates. There are many affiliates and sellers that are available on ClickBank. So you will, post your offer on the marketplace. Then ClickBank tracks clicks, handles, purchases, flows, and what does the merchant is processing. And then fraud protection software minimizes the fraud and charges whatever. This is like the automated thing that ClickBank will do. You don't have to do it. What you do is you are posting the offer, and then these two things, these are by ClickBank. They will check it. They will minimize the fraud and charges, whatever. Affiliate begin with sending traffic to your product using. So this is also not our thing. You're just promoting the product. So what you did is you just do these first 3 steps. Like, you will select a product, and then you will submit the fee, and after that you will post the offer and promote your product. And once your affiliates get paid, you earn the commission. Or if it's a direct affiliate marketing you are doing directly, then you can just simply earn your profit and make money. So this is how you can do affiliate marketing on ClickBank, by selling products. And then there is another thing, which is promote the product. Now, in this affiliate marketing, this is actually the easy one that most of the people go for. And I would also suggest, as a beginner, if you want to go for an easy way to make money with ClickBank and to do affiliate marketing, and you don't have that much of information about how the tax work, how you are going to submit the fee, how does the affiliates work, how you're going to earn your commission. So just stay away from that. It's fine. Do the promotion. That's it. And the promotion is actually pretty easy to do. What you do is you simply promote the products on and anywhere you want to. You can promote on your Facebook, you can promote on your Twitter, you can promote on your TikTok, wherever you want to. So this is the easiest one. What happens here is that the commission is actually pretty good. In this affiliate marketing, you are not going to get the price for the product. You are just going to get the commission that comes with it. And you can actually get up to 90% commission. Very high ticket affiliate marketing is available on ClickBank. Get paid on time. You get paid very easily and get credit for every sale. This is pretty good. And then there are recurring commissions that are also available, that you can actually, there are products that come with a subscription option, and you can do promotion with them again and again, like every month, and then earn commission every month. Like, they're recurring. That is pretty good, right? And then you make connections too. So you select a product from the marketplace, any product that you want to, and then you simply promote it on your social media. You can just go ahead and maybe on your Pinterest, however you want to promote your product. You get the clicks, the links, and ClickBank will check out the clicks and whatever the traffic you're bringing, and then they will give you the commission. You can earn up to $30 to $40 per sale if the product is good, but the 90% commission is there. So whatever the price of the product will be, you will be getting the 90%, sorry. So that's pretty basic, very easy way to do affiliate marketing on ClickBank. Then the third way you can make money with ClickBank, another way which is not affiliate marketing, but it involves affiliate marketing, and that is selling your affiliate marketing courses. That is also a you can make money with affiliate marketing. If you are an affiliate, you know how to do affiliate marketing, then ClickBank allows you to take courses, to give courses to other affiliates, and you can just automate and grow your online business. You can see right here, this is what their website is all about. Promote as an affiliate and then become a seller. And the third thing is that you can actually create your own affiliate channel and you can grow your sales without growing the work. You are just, telling people giving them a course that how to do affiliate marketing, and you can sell your courses on ClickBank that are related to affiliate marketing, and then you simply earn money through it. So this is actually a very basic, very good way for people who are looking to promote their business and to grow their business online. Then you could just simply go ahead and sell your courses, or because when we come to ClickUp, a lot of people will be taking courses to learn how to do affiliate marketing, and they will be paying you for that. So you can just earn money this way. So there are 3 ways you can make money with ClickBank. You can do affiliate marketing with ClickBank. Simply sign up for your account, which is super easy, and then you select if you want to become a seller or if you want to promote the products, and then it is super easy. ClickBank also comes with a guide too, so you will be guided all the way. Don't worry, it's super easy and super fun. So once you are familiar with ClickBank, then you will be able to make a lot of money and get rich. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do affiliate marketing with clickbank.com. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.